So I'm working on this 99 Nissan Maxima. I'm going to be removing the radiator, but first I need to remove the cooling fans behind it. And to get to all of that, first I have to remove this shroud, this air duct here that routes air down into the air box. And there's also a sensor back here in the back that you have to pull away and disconnect. It's a temperature sensor. And then this is a vacuum sensor. I'll go ahead and disconnect that. That's just, I'll leave it connected, but I'm just going to keep the screw right there where it's supposed to be. Then there's two rivets that you pull out right here, little plastic rivets. That allows the air duct to come free. The air duct is connected in a few places. And you just kind of have to snake it out past a few things there, but it's out now. It's wet because I power washed the car yesterday and it's still wet. So now I can get to these connectors here. There's two connectors that control these fans, power the fans. Let me make sure you can see that. So there's two gray connectors. There's a release on the top there. You press that in and the connector pops out. And there's another one over here. So now I've got got it disconnected. There's a couple of rivets here I need to remove. They're holding the wire assembly in place. Here we go. So I've got it totally disconnected electrically, and now I just need to disconnect. There's a couple of screws holding it at the top. And there may be something holding it at the bottom. I don't know yet. Probably is. I've never worked on a Nissan before, but they're similar to most other things, I guess. Well, I have done a few things to this one. I did work on the trunk key, but that was very minor. Now I need to reroute this coolant hose. Get that. I might have to disconnect that. Let's see if I can get it past there. So this is just sitting down in some kind of guide, so maybe it'll lift this out of here. This is called the upper radiator hose. The radiator has a leak, and I'm going to be installing a new one. So I'm pushing on the back of the hose here. I don't really want to stick anything in there that might damage the hose. There's just water in it, looks like. Yeah, there are some odd things in there. That's for sure. Okay. Now, let's see if I can pull this fan out. Looks like this one snaps. Which might be handy. see there's a bracket down there holding the hose. I need to disconnect. Here we go. Looks like it might be held in two places, maybe. There we go. Okay, so we got the fan out. There was a hose hooked in here. I didn't notice it. Kind of dark down in there, but anyway, we got the fan shroud out.